Hi everyone, so I want to show you a few bits and bobs. Now I haven't done one of these kind of videos for a while. So this is the new June VIP kit for Antonio Makes. So if you want to go over and become a VIP member on antoniomakes.com, I'm going to put on the screen now all the perks of becoming a member. It really is a good deal, I have to be honest, it really is a good deal. He does some amazing digital kits, and the thing is with him as well, he doesn't just do background papers. He also has like boxes on there and tags, embellishments, all sorts. So yeah, it's definitely worth going to have a look. So I'm going to put that on the screen as I'm talking now, and then I'm going to show you through these. So these are the two kits for June for the VIPs. So these aren't available on the website unless you become a VIP, okay, and then he'll send it to you. So the first one is called Tutti Frutti, and it's this one. So you've got lovely strawberry. I love this. It's great with the strawberries. I know Stampin' Up did a strawberry die and stamp. I think it was last year or the year before. So that would work really well with this. Really, really well with these papers. And then you've also got these, which are like little envelopes. So if you just cut them out and they just score along the lines, turn them and they make little envelopes. So they're great for putting like gift cards and things in. Then we've got this one, which is really nice. You've got butterflies as well as your strawberries. Really nice. Then this one, and I recognise this background paper because he had this before. This was a previous background paper, but I love the addition of the cherries on the top. Really nice, really pretty. And with some leaves. Then we've got this one with strawberries and daisies, which again is really nice. Really summery. Really fresh. Love it. And then we got this one. So we've got a few little blackberry type things and grapes and other fruits on there as well, and daisies in the background. Really nice. And then this one, which is all kind of tags. So you've got all your different tags that you could use. Again, really nice. This one here, a little box. Now I've made a box like this before. I'm looking around my desk to see if I can see it, but I can't. It's like a little ice cream carton type box, but they're really cute. They're really nice shape to them. No, I can't see it anywhere. But yeah, so you just literally score everywhere you see a yellow line, just score along that line, and it will turn it into a lovely little box. So it's really easy for gift boxes. I've printed mine out on 80 GSM paper. But if you wanted to make that into a box, either print it out on something a little bit heavier, or you can back it. So before, when I made my ice cream carton before, I just stuck this onto a piece of like sort of Poundland card, thin card, and then yeah, just cut it out, and it works really well. Then we've got this one, which is kind of like four different, so four of the backing papers, but they're made into a quarter of an A4. So these are really useful, especially if you want to make little toppers, and obviously all the patterns are sized down, so that works really well. So and obviously they go with the backing papers you've already got. And then we have, last but not least for this pack, got these tags. I love this. I love the blue behind, and then those different fruits, peaches and nectarines and apples and whatever else we've got there, pears. Really nice. So that is the Tutti Frutti pack. So that's for June. And then also for June, I kept this pack to do last because this is probably my favourite pack out of the two. I like both, but I particularly like this one. I think it's beautiful. So then he's got another one called Pansies. This is so nice. Oh my goodness. And it's in my colours as well. So he's done a whole load of these with all like numbers and letters. Really pretty. Really, really pretty. And then also some blank ones. So if you wanted to stamp a greeting in there, or you want to just have them as blanks, or whatever you want to do, you could put some die cuts in there. You've got, you know, some there, and then you've got a whole page here, all of like blank ones, so you can do what you want with them. You could put adhesive peel off numbers in there, letters, all sorts in there. Really good. Or someone's name. You could really go to town. And then, oh my days, I love this paper so much. Can we just appreciate how gorgeous that is? Wow, that is amazing. I love that paper. I'm going to be printing some more of this sheet off because this piece is absolutely amazing. Look at that. Sorry, I really love it. Let's move on. I really love this paper. Wow. And then we've got this one as well, which I also really like. Again, really nice colours. Love the purple, love the lilac and the white. Really nice. And then we've got another ice cream carton, and this one is with the pansies. So again, really nice, bit of a different colourway, and again, just score along your lines. So that makes a nice little box. And then we've got this again with your quarters of an A4. And you've got that beautiful purple, and then you've got some other really nice colours, a green, like a yellowy green, and a blue, really nice. And then we've got a little pouch and some lovely little butterflies and bugs and things that you can fussy cut out, even a dragonfly. So again, with these, you'd be best to print this off on a thicker paper or stick these onto card and then, you know, do them. And then some gorgeous tags at the back there, again in that amazing purple. That purple is so nice. So yeah, so that is the Pansies kit, and also the Tutti Frutti kit that is part of the June VIP. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you a couple of things that I've made using these kits. Okay, so these are the 2 cards I've made so far using these papers. I might add an extra onto this video. If I get to do some more, I will show you. But basically we've got this one here, which was really nice. This is the Tutti Frutti pack. And you've got a lovely little open up bit there with a tag in it. There's also a tag up here as well. Mine's floating around a little bit, but little tag. It just says celebrate on it, and then you've got space on the back to write. So yeah, so this is the Tutti Frutti pack. I try to use all the papers, which it has made it quite busy, but I sort of quite like it at the same time. And there's a lot going on, but it's quite fun. It's quite a fun little card. I love this little flat bit that opens up here. There will be a video for this coming out soon. And then using the Pansy pack, I made this card, which I absolutely love. I love these papers so much. It's so nice. So that was the one I did, and that's the other Pansy one. There are some other Pansy ones, some different colours, and there's also a box and some other bits and bobs, as I showed you before. So I will be making some more things. So I'll probably, if I get to do that before I make this video, I'll tag it on. If not, you'll see it. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll try and post pictures on there. And you'll probably see videos for these. There's a tutorial video coming up for this card as well soon. So yeah, so they're the 2 cards that I made. So yeah, so please go and check out Antonio Makes' site. I'll put the details up on the screen now, along with all the details about the membership. Go and check him out. Don't forget to use my code Louise10, because that will get you 10% off anything that you order. And yeah, like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Also, go and check out Antonio Makes' YouTube channel as well. I'll link that in the description below, because he does videos quite often and he shows you different things. And if you're into like scrapbooking, you're into junk journaling, then he is your man, because he does lots of really good fun videos on different things you can do, embellishments you can make and all sorts. And he's wonderful. He's such a good guy, hilarious as well. He makes me laugh, makes me chuckle. So if you need your day brightening up and you need some ideas, go and check out his YouTube channel, because he is the man for that. But yeah, so that's what I've made with the 2 packs that came with the June kit. So I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video, leave a comment down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.